My name is Martina Feilzer. I'm the Professor of Criminology and Criminal Justice at Bangor University. I'm the Dean of the College of Arts, Humanities and Business, and I'm also the co-director of Visit at Bangor. We're doing some work around civil society organisations and their support for refugees and migrants in a number of European countries, involving the Czech Republic, Greece and the UK. And our research has been looking at how these civil society organisations are organised, who funds them, how they support refugees and migrants, and how they're influenced by the political environment in their respective countries. So the levels of hostility against migrants, questions around political movements, disputing migrant rights, those kind of issues. We collaborated with civil society organisations, with local public services, the councils, the local police force. There's a huge range of organisations, and their dependency on public funding or governmental funding, European funding, differs quite significantly. And that has a massive impact on how they see their role and the support that they can offer. So one of the findings and one of the things that we realised when we were doing research in the Czech Republic and we didn't anticipate was that civil society organisations referred us to the situation of a local national minority, the Roma community, and the way they talked about that community and that minority was very similar to the way they talked about migrants and refugees. So we picked up on that particular research finding and decided to focus a little bit more around the experiences of the Roma community. All academic research has academic beneficiaries, but we're very keen, in particular in Visit, to ensure that our research has impact in real life, and so working with civil society organisations to equip them with knowledge and research evidence for their work, but also to engage them with policymakers so they have the chance to talk directly to the people who make policies that affect their communities and they affect the work that they do.